So what I want to do now is I want to check the performance that my next.js app has at the moment. And this is my React app. This is most of it is orange. And let's see what we have for next. And I just want to emphasize that this is simple migration. We have not used image component. We have not used static site generation, and we have not used other tools to improve the performance. This is just by simple migrating the React app to Next. And let's see what we get. So I'm going to use speed page insight. And this is my current version on next.js. So, okay, so let's start. This is the home. Okay, so on mobile we have 80. It is orange, but for React we got 67. And let's see, desktop is 99. Okay, so in React we got 95, and here we have 99 already. Better result. Okay, let's go to about. So for React we had 69 and 89. And let's see what we have now for next. Okay, we have now 57. This is strange. We will check this soon. Okay, so 57. And desktop is 99. Okay, so this is orange. But here we have 99. Okay, so we got better on desktop, but we got worse on mobile. Let's try to do it again. Okay, now we got 93, so we need to recheck this. Okay, so it is strange. Okay. We will check it again at the end. Okay. Now we are going to contact. Looks like you need, okay, so 93 for contact. And desktop 100. Okay, so this is green, both of them. And for React, we got here 97, but 72. So much better result here. Okay. Now, let's go to courses. So for React, we got um, 93 and about 67, 69. Okay, let's see what we have now. Okay, we have for mobile 78. We will check it again. And for desktop, we have 99. This is, and here 99. We will check it again because it's not, sometimes it's not stable. Okay, and what we have for React, the courses we had 70. And anyway, this is about 8 point more. And also here at 93, and here we have 99. So it is better, no doubt. Okay, mentoring, we have 96 on mobile. And for desktop, we have 100. Okay, so this is excellent. And for React, here we got 69, and here we got much better, about 25 more, and this is also better. Okay, so now testimonials. Okay, testimonials, we have 75. And for desktop, 79. Okay, both are orange, but let's see what we have for React, for testimonials. So 81 is a little bit better, and here 68. I think this is better. So events, $70, and for desktop 98. So this is green. All pages are green beside one, and this is orange. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, here we got 54, and here we got 70. Here we got 95, and this is, sorry, this is green. So what we see on React is on desktop 2 orange, and on next.js we have only 1 orange. And for mobile we have 3 orange on Next, and for React we have all of them are orange. So the bottom line is that on next.js we got much better result, and this is with optimization of the box.